Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have another special unboxing for you to check it out. This is from Kohl's. So this is probably a leftover order that we got, but we still have another package coming on either today or tomorrow. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. So this is celebrating the 4th of July. Set up 2 mini spatulas. Retail price is $19.99. So this is pretty soft rubber or TPU. So it says hand wash only, made in China. Got this binder ring, and this is wood. See what else we got. Get the invoice out. Here are some of the coupon if you guys need it. Coupon code. DoorDash $5 off. There's your coupon code. Geico. So these are the products that we got right here. That's supposed to be the price, plus we have additional coupon or a discount or a cold cash that's gonna apply to it. Wow. So this is a metal tray. It's called the mini grill tray. You can see a whole bunch of stars in there. It says $19.99 regular price. And probably made in China as well. There you go, this air bubble. And this one is the Marinade Tray. $29.99 regular price. And this is a 15.9 inch by 11 inch by 2.5 inch. it says do not microwave. Top rack, dishwasher safe. There's a clip right here to lock it and unlock. It's a nice American flag. There's a special, like a horizontal or vertical line right there. Okay. So it's a plastic. I'm not sure it's a PVC plastic or not. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.